Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the document shows compatibility mode in the title bar and saving a quick backup. This prevents accidental data loss. Once saved, open File and select Info so you can see the convert or compatibility options. Make sure Auto Recover is enabled while you work. Now that the file is backed up and info is visible, you're ready to convert the file to the current Word format. This restores newer features and layouts that compatibility locking hides. Click Convert in the info pane to upgrade the document to the modern Word format. This removes the compatibility mode flag. Once you convert, inspect critical areas, headers, footers, tables, numbered lists, because spacing and formatting can shift. If Word prompts about features or layout changes, read the message and accept the conversion to unlock newer capabilities. Make sure styles are preserved. If not, apply the document theme or reassign styles so your headings and lists render consistently across devices. After conversion, save the file, either overwrite or use a new name, and review the document end to end so nothing broke. Once done, run the compatibility checker via File Info Check Compatibility to find any remaining legacy elements you may need to fix. If you still see weird formatting, copy and paste sections into a new blank document using Keep Source Formatting or Merge Formatting options. One key tip: if layout remains stubborn, recreate complex tables or headers in the new file to resolve hidden legacy settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.